Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Nissan Kicks SV. Comes equipped with a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine paired to its CVT transmission. Other amenities included such as heated seats, as well as a heated steering wheel, air conditioning, Firestone tires, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior, the paneling, a couple of the storage on the bottom, some speakers, comes up to the power locks under the windows with a chrome handle. Here you get these manually adjustable heated bucket seats, very comfortable. And left side here, you're going to have your ventilation and as well as your heated steering wheel. And left side of the steering wheel here will be your odometer clutch control and volume, and the right side being your voice recognition, cruise control, and forward gap adjuster with the flat bottom. And for the odometer here, you can access all of your vehicle information, including your driving info, fuel gauges, music, and just your classic speedometer there. And on to the infotainment, pretty straightforward. Got your AM FM radio as well as Bluetooth connectivity with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. You can also access system information, and as well as got the backup camera. Down below, climate controls, automatic, pretty straightforward with the heated seats with 2 USB ports, as well as the auto hold and parking brake with some extra storage. You get your push to start and center console storage. Passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable. You got that white stitch all the way across, speakers, vents, and then here just access your reading lamps. Seeing these black 17-inch wheels on Firestone FT 140 tires. You're going to paint match mirror caps, keyless entry door handle, deep tint rear glass in the back. You got the 60/40 rear folding split seats here, and as well as extra storage and tools down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, cup holder storage next to speaker, power window with chrome accent. Hop at the back. You got some storage behind the passenger side, 2 USB ports right in the middle there. You just got the lamps up top and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2022 Nissan Kicks SV, equipped with the 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine, as well as heated bucket seats, heated steering wheel, as well as USB ports, air conditioning, driver awareness, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.